Okay, so welcome back, boys and girls. Today is 24th of April, and we're going to do speaking today. Okay, so I'm Miss Ng. Today, I want to give you a short summary of what we have gone through so far, and we teach you how to organize your speech. So last time, Miss C have a very detailed lesson for you all, and I want to do just a very short review of what we have learned. Okay, so let's go. So if you still remember, last time we used mind map and you watched a couple of videos, and this time we are also going to watch one video to help you with your speech. Okay, so if you still remember all these, you need to remember what's the component of a good individual presentation. And so let's do a quick revision. Okay, so for a good individual presentation, you need to speak loud and clear and with the right intonation. So if you forgot, let me remind you again. Intonation means that you speak very swiftly and authentically. Okay, so you go up and down and up and down. So when you speak like that, your audience will feel very happy and they can feel very engaged. Okay, so that's the thing about intonation. What's opposite is don't do this. That is, you will speak like this. This is not good. Okay, so have a good intonation means that you go up and down and up and down. So people will listen to your voice very happily. Okay, so the next thing, it's about the communication strategies. What is communication? Communication strategies includes your body language. And for example, even if now you can't see me, you cannot see Miss M, but Miss M behind the scene, it's keep moving my hands because I just think that I can engage you, I can make you listen to me when I use my hands. Okay, so my hands keep rolling in the air because I just get used to it. Okay, so another thing is that your eye contact. When your teacher teach you, we all look at you. So same for you. If you want to tell us something, look at us. Okay, don't look at your paper. Your audience is us, it's not the paper. Okay, so the next thing is the timing. So for example, we give you 2 minutes, make sure you just use 2 minutes. So next is the vocabulary and language patterns. It's really about using the correct vocabulary and grammar. And this, why I put a clock and a note here, it's because it's a very long-term thing. So it's really about your effort during lesson. It's not something I can teach you right away. Okay, so put some time and jot some notes to finish this part. Okay, so I can't help you. You are the only one who can help yourself. Okay, so the next one is about the idea and organization. So giving great ideas means that you need to read more. Okay, I believe all of you are very smart, but sometimes you just don't want to speak in English. But don't be shy. Okay, you have a lot of ideas. I know that we all know that. You just need to be brave and speak up. Okay, so about today, the main thing that I want to do with all of you is teaching you how to organize your speech. the main thing about organizing your speech is that people will able to hear your speech very comfortably. So they will hear comfortably, and you can also speak with less anxiety because you have things planned before you receive the topic. And so it is very important to learn some skills to be organized. Okay, so the next thing, for example, we just give you 2 minutes. So don't spend all the time on one point. It is going to be a waste. Okay, so put your time carefully and teach carefully. And organize your speech carefully so that if you have 2 minutes, make sure you speak as much as you can. Okay. So, what's about today? The main objective is really about doing some revision. Okay. So first of all, last time Miss C helped us to use the mind map, and today I want you to make your mind map into a good speech. Okay, so the next thing, it's about the revision for the vocabulary. In Unit 5, you learned a lot about animals. You learned about the tigers, the ghost bears. What about them is that they are being annoyed by humans. So us human beings are invading their places. So there are lots of words we have learned in Unit 5. For example, habitat, if you still remember this word, it's about the place where the animals live in. And for example, wildlife, I hope you still remember. And a lot of them actually. For example, survive means life, yeah, being just don't die. Okay, so also for example, let's see, we also have some vocabulary from last term. For example, if you still remember, recycle, CYCLE, and for example, global warming, if you still remember, I hope you remember. Global warming means the world gets more warm and warmer. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so I will also show you 2 videos. I hope you can tell which one is better and which one it's not good. Okay, and very importantly, we will learn how to give an organized speech. Okay, so that's today's hot topic, and it's also today's classwork, which is if you turn your book to page 20, you can see it more clearly. I will zoom in though later. Which is giving a speech on an endangered animal. So what is an endangered animal? We all know dangerous. What is dangerous? For example, tigers are very dangerous. Well, for example, if you don't hand in your homework, Miss M will become very dangerous. Okay, so it's about danger, caution. Okay, I think you know what this word means. But what is endangered? Endangered, and actually means in, but it's just the Latin word of in. Okay, so it means in. So it means animal in danger. What is animal in danger? Means that just a few of them in the world. So it means that animals that are being killed, or for some reason they just a few of them still survive in the world. Okay, in the wildlife especially. Okay, so some example, for example, panda. And today I want to tell you about one's very special endangered animals, and we will know it soon. So if you turn to your book page 20, let's look at the question first. It is very important for every time. Even if it's not a test, not an exam, you need to look at the question for all your writings as well. Okay, so you need to prepare a presentation about an endangered animal, and endangered, so just one. Okay, and prepare a 2 minutes presentation. So I think it's around like 120 words if you speak very fluently. And very importantly, please use these diagrams, try to organize your ideas. So this time we use this approach, endangered animals. For example, later I will tell you about polar bear, and you will know about what's the threats, the information, and how to protect. Okay, threats is about the reason why they are in danger, why polar bear are in danger. Okay, threats are some reason how come polar bear become an endangered animal. Okay, so another thing is that you can also use mind map. It also works for you in case you don't know, because some of you really don't know. You use it like this. For example, polar bear, you put it here, and then one of the subtopic, this is the main topic, and subtopic will be, first of all, the basic information. This is the subtopic, and then you continue. For example, it's white, and it lives on ice. Okay, sorry, little boy. And other subtopic, threats. So what are the threats for polar bears? What happened to them? Okay, so protection, then that's another subtopic. Okay, so in case you don't know how to use my map, it goes like this. Okay, this is the main topic, this is the subtopic, and these are the descriptions. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so first of all, I will show you 2 videos. You need to tell me which one is a good one, which one is the bad one, and it is actually very obvious. Okay, so when you watch the video, it's very important. One thing very important, please use this checklist. Are you does she speak loud and clear? Okay, is it loud enough? Can you hear everything she's speaking? Okay, and another thing, how about her eye contact? Is she looking at you? And any body language, is her hands moving? And fluent or not means that does she speak smoothly? Okay, and this one very important. Does she use words that she knows? During your Form 1 and Form 2, I have some of you are not doing a very good job in this one. Sorry, I will just go back to that slide. One moment. Okay, so you always use words that you don't know. Then when you come to the test, you have, like, I think you just Google one passage and you come and you cannot read the words, which is very embarrassing. So please use the words that you already know. Don't use words that you don't know, and just it's meaningless. Okay, so here the 3 things that I want you to take notes. Okay, so just for example, tell me which animal is she introducing, what are the threats, and how can we help. So this is about the protection part if you are still on page 20. Okay, so let's go. Well, it's not running very well. So let's hear. Some problem with it.